Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shiraz and welcome to another brand new tutorial. Today we are making this cool render. We're going to do modeling, texturing, UV wrapping and little bit of light setup. Also you can get this blend file from my Patreon account. So let's get started. Today we are going to use this legendary default cube. So select all except this cube and delete by pressing X. Let me open shortcut keys. Okay, select this cube, scale on Z axis, scale on Y axis, and scale down on X axis, and scale down on Y axis. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now I think scale on Y axis a little bit. Control A, apply scale. Now add a modifier which is bevel, and segments will be 5, and right click, shade auto smooth, shift A. Now add a UV sphere, scale it down, GC. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and slash on your numpad, tab to edit mode, control R, add a loop cut here. Yeah, it's good. And select this mid vertex, control plus for selection, and delete all vertices. Right click, shade auto smooth, control 2 to add a subdivision modifier. Now add a modifier which is redify. Yeah, it's good. And slash GC. I think cap is not looking so good, so control C to go back, and control C to undo our loop cut. Control R. I think we have to add loop cut here. Select this mid vertex, control plus. Yeah, think let's delete all. Control C. Let me see. No, it's not good. Okay, so control minus and delete all vertices. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, since we are not going to show inner part of cap, so we don't have to model it. Right click, shade auto smooth, control 2, subdivision modifier, add a modifier which is solidify, and GC like this. Okay, now shift A, add a plane for label, RY, 90-degree rotation, scale down on Y axis, and GX like this. Tab to edit mode, A, and extrude a little bit. Yeah, G, it's good. I think I have to back a little bit. Yeah, it's good. And GX, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, now shift A, add an empty, and cube, scale on Z axis. Okay, and select all, control P for parent. Now when we're gonna move empty, we can move our whole objects. Okay, now add a plane for floor, scale it, scale like this, GZ, move on Z axis. Okay, GZ, scale it big. Okay, control A, apply scale, add a modifier which is displace modifier, new, and change it to clouds, and size will sorry, tab to edit mode and subdivide it. I think 10 times. 15 will be okay. Yeah, 15. Okay, right click, shade auto smooth, control 2, subdivision modifier, and size good, and mid level, it's okay. GC, something like this. Now we have to add rocks. Okay, search here rock. Okay, so you can see you have multiple choices. You can download free rocks, but I am finding that one which I added before. Here it is. Okay, let me add collection, and here over stone, select this, is C, move on Z axis, rotate on Z axis, and select this empty, R, Y, minus 90-degree rotation. Okay, it's good. And GC like this. Make your stone bigger. Yeah, it's good. Select this, GC, select this, GC, move on the axis, something like this. Okay, select this rock and Shift T for duplicate and place it here, rotate it, something like this, and yeah, it's good. Now Shift A, add a camera and GC, move on V axis, RZ, 90-degree rotation, and focal length will be 100 and resolution will be 5000. So the final output of my render is 5000. It's up to your PC specs. You can change resolution according to your need. Okay, so add a window here. Now we have to put materials and add textures to the ground. Okay, yeah, it's good. GC, move on the axis, something like this, and select this empty, scale it down a bit and rotate it on Z axis. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now I'm going to off this overlays and change our rendering settings, EV to cycle and denoise open, max sample of viewport 32, max sample of render will be 500. Okay, and change it to material preview. So here it is. So the bottle one is black, name it bottle and change color to black, and roughness will be almost 700. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and select this cap, add a material, name it cap, and color will be almost black, not black, almost black. Okay, and roughness will be according to our bottle. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so now we have to add a label texture and floor textures. Select this one and GX, here. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now add another window, assign it shader editor, add new label, name it label. Okay, zoom it. So you can see I made a label in Illustrator. Assign it to base color, Control T. So you can see it is not perfectly assigned, so I have to open UV editor here and open image which is night, and select this, go to edit mode, select all of this, R90. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I think it's assigned perfectly. Now we have to assign floor one. So I come here to Blender Kit and simply search sand, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one. Yeah, this one I think. This looks good. Okay, so once again we have to open UV editor here, tap to edit mode, A for select all, scale it down until you get your results. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, now all the settings are completed. Now we have to add a light to our scene, GC, and shape scale to disk. Power will be, I think, 80, and size will be 6. Yeah, 6 is good. Okay, let's see how it looks on render view. Okay, now you can see, okay, let me open this. The color of sand is black, but in here it is like sandy. So let me convert, sorry, let me convert it to material preview and bring back our shader editor, select this floor and unplug this base color material and select this color and made it black. Yeah, it's good. So it's good, I think. Control B to only selection part. Okay, so I think we have to work on lights. So but first we have to change color of rock. So select rock and bring back our shader editor, come to here, select color, and it will be black like this. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and change. Why it is so slow? Let me see. What did I wrong? Oh, sorry. CPU to GPU compute. Ah, okay. Change color management to filmic and none to medium high contrast. So now you can see you have a good placement. It looks good more than mine final render. Okay, select this light and power will be 120. I think 150 will be more good. Yeah, but you can see the light in mine final render is focusing on only this rock and this perfume. You can see the black shadows here and here. Okay, so for that we have to change beam shape to backward. I think one, sorry, 60 degree maybe. Ah, not 60. 60 is more vibrant, I think. Change world properties to strength will be 0 and light spread, I think power will be 120. I think it will look good. So here it is our final render. You can tweak your light setting and your shape according to your need, but it is a basic shape which I made for our final render, but I think it looks more good than mine final render. And also you can select this rock and change its rotation, or you can also place it sideways if you want, but here it is our final render. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you will find this helpful. I'll see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.